Hello, friends. Welcome to thinkhome.com. My name is Raj. I'm one of the co founders of thinkhome.com. And today I'm going to give you a quick demo of how you can use this innovative home search engine. So let's get started. Let's assume I'm a home buyer. I'm going to click on this button, buy. This takes me to our search input page. I'm going to enter my work location and I'm willing to commute by car and I'm willing to commute 45 minutes. I have a spouse. She works in Bridgewater. She commutes by car and she's willing to commute 30 minutes. I click next. So our search engine has identified 2,200 homes that meet this commute requirement. Now let's filter these based on school rating. I want a high school ranking of 8 or more. I click next. I'm down to 753 homes because the rest of the homes did not meet my school rating requirement. Now at this point I'm going to specify that I am interested only in single family and townhomes and I want at least 3 bed and 2 bath, um, and I have $80,000 to put down and my monthly mortgage budget is $3,500. I'm going to go for a 30-year loan term, and at this point I'm going to click on show me houses. So what you will notice here, friends, is every home in the search result is going to meet my commute requirement. I specified 45 minutes for myself from my work location up in Mahwah, 30 minutes for my spouse. Her work location is in Bridgewater, New Jersey. We want a high school rating of 8 or more. We did not specify any requirement for elementary and middle school, but high school had to be more than 8. And I specified that my monthly mortgage budget is 3,500. So every home in this search result will meet my commute requirement, my spouse's commute requirement, our school rating requirement of high school ranking of 8 or more, as well as the monthly mortgage will be under $3,500. There is no bars, no holds on what town we'll show you. We'll show you every town that meets this town, meets the requirement specified by you. Another wonderful thing that we do here is we assign something called Think Home Score. It's basically the equity you build for every dollar you spend. In short, it gives you a way to judge the financials behind a particular home. So let's look at this very first example. So by spending just under $3,100, I can afford to buy a home that is $579,000. Now, as you come down the list, let's check out this very third home in the list. The Think Home score is 100, which is lower than the very first home. I am going to pay $3,222, which is more than the 3,093 I saw up there. While I'm going to buy a home that's just $549,000. So for 3,222 per month, I am going to be buying a home that's 549K, whereas in the first at the very top home I was spending a little under 3,100 and I was going to buy a $579,000 home. So that's the power of Think Home Score. It allows you to rate homes for their value for money. Now obviously we cannot judge the subjective criteria. You have to look at each home and judge whether you like it subjectively, the looks of it, the pictures of it. So let's do that. So I clicked on this home. I'm opening it in a new tab, so you can check out all the pictures. This is the usual stuff. We are offering two icons here that allow you to quickly zoom in on the map and understand where this home is located. um, we are again showing the commute times for yourself and your spouse here. We are showing the financial breakdown. Now keep in mind we are also showing the fuel cost that it'll cost you if you were to commute to your work locations from this home for yourself and your spouse. This assumes 5 day a week for entire month, and it also takes into consideration the vehicle depreciation. It's not just about fuel cost, as you can imagine. We are also estimating the property maintenance cost depending on the value of the property, and then based on the interest that you will be paying as well as the property tax, that amount is tax deductible and you get this money back at the end of the year. So there is this indirect cost also that we capture here. So we are giving you a complete overview of your financial obligations that you will face if you buy this home. You can check out the description. This is the data we are receiving from the MLS listing itself. Um, the facts, the interior, the appliances. Again, all of this information is coming along with the MLS data. At the bottom, you will see that we have provided the school information. So now let's click on the Whippany Park High School, which has a ranking of 8. And if you recollect, we had specified high school rating of 8 or more. So let's click on this and check out the Whippany Park High School. I opened it in a new tab. You're looking at the Whippany Park High School. Let's look at the satellite view. Shows you where the school is. You can zoom in, zoom out, and understand where the school is. Check out the neighborhood, the neighboring areas. This additional information about the school down here. You can check out the test scores for different years, for different grades, whatever information we are pulling in from grade schools. Ethnicities, which is nothing but the demographics. This is again the information that we pull from grade schools, and then reviews. Quite important for home buyers, especially with school going kids. So you can check out what other parents have to say. Now keep in mind all of this information is coming from grade schools. So friends, just to recap, we looked at our home search engine. It all starts with inputting your basic fundamental search parameters. You put in your work location, how much you're willing to commute. You put in your spouse's work location, how much she's willing to commute. You put in your school rating requirement. You put in a couple of other usual criteria, what kind of home, how many bed, how many bath. You also specified how much down payment you have, how much monthly mortgage budget you have, what the loan term is. You clicked on show me my houses. At that point, we showed you every home that meets your specified criteria, as well as we assigned Thinkom score to it and sorted your search result based on Thinkom score. At this point, you have a complete breakdown of the financials. You can look at the homes and decide what kind of home you like. We offer you features where you can quickly zoom in on the map and understand and study the location of the home. Also, you can click on the school and understand more information about the school, beginning from test scores all the way to demographics and the school reviews. So that's Thinkom.com in a nutshell, my friends. My name is Raj. I'm one of the co-founders, along with my fellow partner Rahul Gokhale. He's the other co-founder. So I hope you like our product.